Hello and welcome to the channel Crypto Enthusiast. Today I'm going to walk you through how to withdraw your dog's token to your Bybit wallet, which is the wallet in your Bybit exchange. But before that, we're going to face an important update which says that the dog's airdrop listing has been postponed. If I click this drop down arrow right now and scroll down right here, you're going to see this very update right here which says, "Hey dogs, 6 million verified users have requested the direct deposit of their dogs to the exchange and Telegram wallet so far. Nothing like that we have seen before in crypto. That's crazy if you compare it to any other token launch. Now we've decided to add more withdrawal option and extended the claim period so everyone will have enough time. Here's the update timeline. Now pay attention, this is the important part I want you to get so you don't get it all mixed up. Now the first one right here says that claim to exchange and Telegram wallet will remain open until 6 p.m. UTC on 21st of August. Alright, so you can still claim to exchanges and your Telegram wallet until 6 p.m. UTC on 21st of August. The next right here says claim to non-custodial wallet will be available from 8 a.m. UTC on 23rd, and TGE and listing will take place at 12 p.m. UTC on 23rd August. Now here's what they're saying: on the day of the listing, you can start claiming to your decentralized wallet from 8 a.m. UTC. Okay, you can just go to Google and type in 8 a.m. UTC and type in your country's name, and Google will reveal to you the exact time this would be happening. All right, so the claim would take place by 8 a.m. on the day of the listing, and listing would actually take place by 12 p.m. UTC. For those in centralized time zone, it will be exact 12, but for those in a different time zone, you would be experiencing this at a different time. For those in Nigeria, it will be 1 p.m. and for the claiming to a non-custodial wallet, which is a decentralized wallet, it will be 9 p.m. A non-custodial wallet are wallets like Townkeeper wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, and the likes. Now let's also visit this very update which says we just added the Gate.io deposit option to the app. Alright, so you can now withdraw to Gate.io. Okay, you can get more details here. If you don't have an account yet, you can register here. Don't forget, you need to have completed KYC in order to deposit dogs. Choose your deposit option in app. Alright, now let's open up the dogs app. Now, how do you really withdraw this to an exchange? This is what I'm going to be explaining right now. The first thing you're meant to do is to come over here and click on deposit to exchange. Now I'm going to click that. There are two options right here, which is exchange and wallet in Telegram. If you do not have an exchange wallet, or you find it hard getting an exchange wallet because of the KYC and stuff like that, you can just go ahead and create a Telegram wallet. Now how do you create a Telegram wallet? I'm not going to be showing you that in this very video, but I'm just going to point you to where you can create a Telegram wallet. Now it's simple. Once you're in the home section of your Telegram app, just go ahead and click on this 3 horizontal line at the top left hand corner of your screen, and then go ahead and select Telegram wallet right here. If you click on this right now, it's going to ask you to continue to agree to the terms by ticking this checkbox and clicking on continue, and from there you can follow the on-screen instruction. I do not have a Telegram wallet and I don't intend creating one, because I know for sure that if you do create one and you happen to lose your Telegram account, there's a high possibility all assets in this Telegram wallet is gone. This is the reason I've decided to abstain or stay away from Telegram wallets. Now back to the video. We're going to leave this on exchange, but go ahead and click on continue. Now, as at the time of creating this video, there are 4 exchange options to withdraw this to. The first right here is OKX, the second is Bybit, the third is BitGet, and last is Gate.io. Now depending on your country, you might want to pick the one that suits you best, the exchange that suits you best, but I'll be going for Bybit, and this is what I'll recommend to anyone watching this very video right now. You shouldn't go for OKX as a Nigerian, because the Nigerian government and OKX are having a kind of issue, and I don't think OKX plans to stay for long. So you might want to go with Bybit right now. So I'm just going to switch to Bybit right now and click send here button. Now this is going to ask, do you have a Bybit account? You need to add your deposit address and a memo to receive your dogs. If you don't have a Bybit account, you can use the link in the description. Just follow that link and create yours. All right, so once you're done creating yours, go ahead and click on this button that says yes, I have it. If you also have a Bybit account, go to Play Store or your Apple Store if it's available on Apple device, and make sure it's updated. Now there are three things we need to fill in right here, which is the Bybit UID, the dog's deposit address, and the memo. All right, all these are important and it needs to be filled. Now to get your Bybit UID, all you have to do is to head over to your Bybit account. Now for those of us who are new to Bybit, this is how the Bybit app looks like. All right, like I said, if you do not have a Bybit account, you can follow the link in the description, register for one, and download this very app. All right, that's my invite link, and I would really appreciate it if you follow that link. All right, now to get your Bybit UID, all you have to do right now is to click on this profile icon at the top left hand corner of your screen. Now your Bybit UID is this very ID just below your profile name. Okay, all you are meant to do is to simply click on that, and this UID will be copied automatically. As you can see right here, my account is verified. Now this is another important thing. Make sure that your account is verified. You cannot do this with an unverified account. Make sure that your account is verified, and if you intend doing this verification, you can go ahead and use the BVN, because using the driver's license or other verification means may take longer. But if you use your BVN, you get to verify your account fast after doing the facial verification. And for those of us who are confused about the level 1 verification and level 2, you don't really have to do the level 2. Once you do the level 1 verification, you are good to go. Okay, the level 2 verification is optional. It's just so you can increase your transaction limit. All right, so do not worry yourself about that. All right, now after copying the UID, just head back to the dog's airdrop. Now click on this UID right here and paste in that UID you just copied. Okay, after pasting it, the next thing we are meant to fill in right here is the dog's deposit address. Now to get that, head back to Bybit app. Now I'm going to head back and then head over to the assets section, which is this right here. Once I click and open this, go ahead and click on deposit. Now select deposit crypto. Once you click deposit crypto, head over to the search bar and type in the keyword dogs. Okay, and hit search. Now this is this very cryptocurrency right here. All you have to do right now is to select it, and of course select the Torn chain, because this is a Torn coin. Okay, now read this very notice right here which says dog's deposit address and dog's memo are important, so please fill in the both address, because a mismatch can result to permanent loss. All right, especially that memo. A lot of people just pick the address and fill and forget the memo. Memo is very important. Either memo or tag, it's still the same thing. All right, so I'm just going to click OK, and I'm going to pick the wallet address right now by clicking on this little copy icon right here. So head back to Telegram and paste in this wallet address right here. All right, so this is it, and the last right here is the memo, which is very important. So whether memo or tag, whichever way it's being called, is still the same thing. As you can see right here, it says tag or memo. So we're going to click this little copy icon right here to copy our memo. Now I'm just going to head back again to the mini app on Telegram and paste this. Now it's important that after doing all this, you cross check to make sure that all details is filled correctly, so it doesn't end up a disaster. So I'm going to pay more attention to the memo, and right here it starts with 138 and ends with 235. So I'm just going to head back and check that again. Okay, it's the same. Now once you're sure everything is correct, just go ahead and click on this send button. Okay, and yes, it says confirm withdrawal of 46,000 dogs. Bybit UID is this, the deposit address is this, the memo is this. Just like I told you, you are meant to cross check this to make sure that it's actually correct, right? If it's not correct, you can go ahead and click on choose another option, but I've cross checked this and it's correct, so I'm going to go ahead and click on I confirm. And lastly, before we click the I confirm, make sure you are KYC passed. Identity verification is important for you to be able to successfully withdraw this. So I'm just going to click on I confirm. And as you can see right here, it says deposit is in progress. Now be ready for the listing on August 26th. Wow, August 26th. All right, that's the listing date. So we're going to go ahead right now and click on woof. That's the sound a dog make. So this is it right here. 46,000 dogs. As you can see, this button has now faded. It's not visible as it was before. This is to tell you that withdrawal is taking place. Now I'll be doing a ton giveaway to my subscribers. All right, so one of the things you're meant to do right now is to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and follow me in my social media handle. So for everyone who joined Dogs Airdrop using my link, I'm going to send you guys stars. Okay, I'm going to send you Telegram stars. But for those who didn't join, I'm going to be doing a ton giveaway, and for you to know when this giveaway will be going on, what you have to do right now is to join my social media handle, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp. Just join any of them you can, because that's where I'll be announcing this very giveaway. I'll be giving ton to 10 people to cover up for gas fees for the dogs withdrawal. All right, so for you to qualify, you first have to follow my social media handle so you know when this giveaway will be going on. If this is your first time watching my channel or watching my video, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on important updates like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Take care.